When did people start to do something to save the tortoises? A. In the 1500s, B. In the 1950s, C. In the 1900s, D. In the 1960s, or E. In the 1400s. We see talk of attempts to save the tortoises towards the end of our passage. The sixth paragraph specifically tells us that by the early 1900s, people began to worry that the last of the tortoises would soon die out. No one, however, seems to care enough to do anything about the problem. Finally, in the 1950s, scientists decided that something must be done. Although people were worried about the tortoises as early as the 1900s, action wasn't taken until the 1950s. As our question is asking when people started to do something to save the tortoises, we can head down to our choices and mark B in the 1950s as our final answer.